Hello everyone, welcome back to Rob Tells Us Vlogs. Today's video is about a DIY home decoration, a wall wreath or a door decoration. This is made from a recycled Christmas ornaments. This is golden yellow. This one is a golden brown. It's something like orange also. And look at this. And this ornaments is green, and I have here the red and the orange, and some is gold. This flowers is fixed with the empty tubes of the kitchen rolls. The kitchen rolls is fixed together. Look at this. I have 5 pieces. Fix it both ends with the use of the hot glue. And when it is already dry, so you can attach the flowers, look, by using the plastic wire like this, and fix it around the empty tubes. And this is our instant home decoration. You can save this one as a home decoration for all the season, not only for the autumn, for Christmas or New Year, or for the summer, but for all the season. And here below I fix a garden lace. Look at this. It's a mint green. So this is also from my recycled materials. So this is very easy project. All you need only is artificial flowers and empty tubes and a wire. So guys, I hope you like this project. So if you have any old decorations at home, you can recycle it and you can change the design in order to have a new look home decoration. So for those who are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with all my new projects. So if you want to learn how to create different projects, please visit my channel and click my playlist, how to create home decorations or how to recycle waste materials. Then you can find my tutorials and my finished DIY projects. Thank you so much for watching and supporting Rough Tells Us Vlog. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for your continued support, and I wish everyone